Let's consider this question. This is question 2 in our objective of our question in 2024. All right, this is number 2 question. So it says, given that P equals to, in bracket, P ratio 1 less than P less than 20, all right, where P is an integer and arrow which is equals to arrow ratio 0 less than or equal to arrow less than or equal to 25, where arrow is a multiple of 4. Okay, find P intersection R. So this symbol is a symbol of intersection. This math question is talking about sets. Okay, this is a topic from set. So now, to solve this problem, very simple solution. So just pay attention while I put the solution on the board for you. So to solve the problem, all right, we first identify this element of set P and R. Okay, so what we are going to do is to identify the element of set P and identify the element of set R. So for the element of set P, it says where 1, all right, where P is 1, all right, less than P less than 20. So we are going to have where set P, okay, where P is equals to our P now will be equals to what? 2, 3, 4, 19. All right. So this is going to be our set P, because they told us that P is 1 less than P less than 20. So every number that is 20 below, that is what will be inside set P. Okay. Then for set arrow, they tell us where arrow is 0 less than or equals to arrow less than or equals to 25, and they gave us a condition for set arrow. They said set arrow is the multiples of 4. So we are going to bring out set arrow, which are the multiples of 4, right? So we are going to have 0 from this 0, then 4, 2, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, multiples of 4. After 4 we have 8. 8 plus 4 will give us 12. 12 plus 4 will give us 16. Plus 4, 20, 24, and so on. Alright, so since they gave us the limit to 25, we are going to stop at 24. So now, since we have successfully identified set P and set arrow, the question says find P intersection arrow. Okay, so what this statement is saying is that we should look for elements. Okay, so this place is telling us that we should look for elements that is common to both set P and set R. All right, the element that is both common to set P and set R. Okay, so I think for easier way, I should write this out so that it will be easy for you to get it. Okay, let me write it: 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 19. All right, so now at least we are expanded this a little. So now let's look for the element that is both in set P and set R. So our P intersection arrow is equals to what? So P intersection arrow, what are the numbers that are in set P that are also in set arrow. So the numbers that are in set P and they are also in set arrow is 4, because there's 4 here, there's 8 here, alright? Do you get it? So there's 12 and there's 16. Okay, so this is the answer to the question. Alright, it is very simple. All you just need to do, bring out the element of set P, which is this, then you bring out the element of set R, then look for the numbers that is common in both sets and write it out. Simple as that. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, share this video, give your comment. If you have any question, any problem, drop it in the comment section and we will address it together. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.